We drove around town, got way too drunk. Back at your parents' house. And once upon a time at the Hollywood sign, you were holding me close. And when you were mine, last thing on my mind was letting you go.
Ko'r yulduzi direktor, ona qurolichamiz Dilbarxonim Usmonova tashrif buyuradilar. Qartaylar bo'lsin.
Some nights I reminisce and I miss you. Were you the one? I wonder if you wonder about me too.
Mana shu safimizda turgan barcha yuqori liderlar boshim yerga teguncha ta'zimlaman. Sizlar bundan ko'piga loyiqsizlar.
I miss you.
Zo'r. Sevara xonim, Tajiyevaga so'z beramiz.
Juda ham xursandman. Mana hozir menejer statuslari taqdirlandi. Juda ham bu zo'r ko'rsatkich.